Hi all, welcome to Easylearningtech. This course is specially designed for the people who are ready to switch their career into testing and also for the freshers who really want to learn the new technology. It will be also helpful for them and also it will be going to value add for them. I will make sure that by end of this course you will be thorough in all the concepts related to the manual testing. We will see in high level what are the takeaway from this course. First one is introduction to testing. Like what testing exactly means and why testing is required, when should we need to do testing, like this type of concepts we will see and we will cover in this module. We'll also see the concepts like testing principles, bug life cycle, priority and severity, SDLC, and what are the testing levels and reviews, and what are the functional and non-functional testing types, STLC, risk analysis, agile concepts, and Jira too. Now, quickly, we will see the introduction into testing module. Why do you choose your career in testing? So, this is one of the most important questions in the interview they will ask. Because as we are having many other technologies, why do you choose this as your career option? Now we will discuss all these points with the detailed explanation. Coming to first point, testing is very challenging role in software companies. Yes, testing is very challenging because every day it's a new task to find out the issues. For example, if today I got some issues in the application which are really critical to the business, then the next day should not be the same task to identify the same issues. Coming to second point, tester should have very good knowledge in the application. Yes, without having good knowledge on the application, we cannot able to find out the issues. For example, if you are new to some banking application or airline application, you should have some good knowledge on that. Like what are the terms they will use in these domains and what they really mean. So coming to the third point, testing is a platform independent and we cannot able to find out the results in the Google or some other websites. Yes, because as we are testing the application which is specifically to the client and they won't upload their business ideas or application information in Google or some other website. So it's our job to identify the issues by understanding the application. Coming to fourth point, testers should think in more logical way to analyze the application and they should also find the defects. Yes, without thinking logically, we cannot able to find out the issues and it also require more knowledge and practice to identify those. So coming to fifth point, testers should think out of the box and every day should come up with new ideas. So tester is the right person to analyze the end user perspective, like how the application is really useful for the end user. Coming to sixth point, tester need to break the application to find out the issues for the better product. Yes, we need to test many combinations in the application, like how it will work with all the use cases. Coming to seventh point, should have a good communication skills and analytical skills. So if the testers don't have the communication skills, they cannot able to create the tickets with the detailed explanation like what exactly happening. So it's very important to having a good communication. And they also need to explain the issues to the team without any hesitation. Some myths about testing. First one, anyone can test and hence it is not difficult. It is not correct because not everyone can test. So one should need a good analytical skills to become a software tester. You also need to have a good communication skills for reporting and convincing others. Coming to second point, salaries will be less in software testing. Salary may be less when you start your career, but for experienced testers, they are also earning the same level of the package compared to the developers. So many companies are offering much more salaries to the automation testers compared to the developers. Third point, the person who can't code, they will become a software tester. But it's an old myth in the industry, the one who can't code can be a software tester. Record and playback days were gone. It's an automation age. So, an automation tester who writes the code to automate the scripts. So hence tester also writing the code. Fourth point, there won't be growth in software testing. It's really a myth because tester will become test lead, project lead, automation architect, automation lead, so many things like test manager, etc. But ultimately, everyone reaches to the manager level. What if testing does not happen properly? Some issues will pop up in the production, but that will have an impact on whole team. You also may end up doing more work once the production issues are fixed because when you test the whole application again, it will be the more work. So developers will test only for the development functionality or fixing the code. And if it is working fine, their testing is over. But for the tester's major goal is to break the application, and somehow we need to find out the issues. And also we need to help the developers to understand how specific the functionality should work. The goal of testing is not only find the bugs or mistakes, but also to reduce the risk in the application. Advantages of manual testing: ensures high quality product, it facilitates customer satisfaction, word of mouth promotion, savings to the company, preventing the defects, enhance the user experience, faster turnaround time, promoting business efficiency. With the testing, we will be going to ensure to find out the defects, and hence the application will be a high quality product. Testers are the ones who will analyze the end user perspective, so the customer satisfaction will be the high priority. Without testing, no application or product will be going to release in the market. Disadvantages of manual testing. First one, higher chance of errors. The errors will occur once the tester should not be having a good knowledge in the application. Second one, time consuming process. Manual testing is a time consuming process, and hence it requires more manpower to verify all the use cases. Third point, it doesn't work for load or stress testing. So we cannot able to test these types of testing because we need to have some lakhs of users to identify how the system is behaving in different conditions, and hence in the manual testing it is not possible. We need to test these type of things through automation only. So these are some cons on the manual testing. We will see some more concepts on the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech updates. Thank you.